Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on NFC payments in our Samsung Galaxy S22. The easiest way to enable NFC payments is to swipe from the top again and our NFC options is here, so we just need to turn it on or off however we want. Alternatively, if you want to if this option is not there, we have to go to settings, then connections, and our NFC and contactless payments are here. So we just enable this function, this box here, and now our NFC payments should be turned on. We have some customization options here. Right now we have only Google Play here, and this is the easiest way. Currently open app should be enabled. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.